Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. And today we're going to be talking about Lucid Motors and why it's going to be a $100 billion company in the short term. Like, very short term. Like, we're going to see this very soon. So, we're going to get into all that in this video. Leave a like if you do enjoy, and subscribe if you are new and want more content like this. So, let's get straight into the video. So, Lucid Motors is an incredible company, and I think that $100 billion is honestly quite small. I think they will hit this in the next few months, let alone by the end of the year. By the end of the year, I think we're going to see even higher than $100 billion valuation. A $100 billion valuation implies a stock price of about $60. $60 would, or wait, no, hold on. So, multiplying by 3 right now, it would be about $60 stock price at $100 billion valuation. $100 billion valuation is very feasible, as we're at about a $36 billion valuation at current price. And a $36 billion valuation is not bad at all. And obviously when you go and you look up CCIV, you don't see $38 or $36 billion valuation or market cap. And the reason for this is because you don't see it fluctuate, because the merger is not complete, and CCIV, the blank check company or SPAC, is not with Lucid Motors. So obviously you're not going to see that change in market cap every single day. However, that is its current market cap after doing some math. And so we're going to see a nice rally, and it's very easy for it to get here. We're at about $22 per share right now, and we're going to rise past this very quickly once we get more information. Gonna go even higher. Short squeeze. Yes, it's not a huge short position, but it does have about 25% short. That's about the same amount that AMC is short right now. And yes, I know AMC might have synthetic shares and all this, but naked calls and all these crazy things, but they're very too complicated to discuss in this video. And I'm not personally in AMC, but I do find it very interesting. And we might see a nice short squeeze up to the 30s, just alone from the shorts. Like we'll hit $30, and $30 is already a pretty high valuation at about 50 something billion dollar valuation. And once we get to that point, it's just upward from there. We get to there, and then the ticker symbol changes. Let's say the ticker symbol changes, we get another $1-2 gain. Then we get production finally started, like final production ready cars are good. We start production, and we're gonna hit that $100 billion valuation like that, quicker than we expected, especially since we'll be able to look at the valuation, since the merger will be complete, and we'll get more clarity on where the valuation stands. And that is very important for us as investors to be able to look and see, okay, where exactly is the valuation, and is this a reasonable price that I'm paying? We'll also be able to say CPE and all these things. It'll be very important for us as investors to be able to see all these metrics that we care about. And I think it's coming very soon, and that will allow us to get to $60 share price way faster than we expected. Along with that, we need to count, it's hard to counter in the amount of hype that it will get when the merger's complete, when they start shipping cars. We can't anticipate how much hype that is. I'm just doing this from news alone, so we might even see higher than $100 billion valuation. And yeah, this is not financial advice, nor my financial advisor. However, these are just my pure opinions, and this is exactly what I think is going to happen, because I think people are going to realize, okay, there's Tesla's doing very well. However, they did just recall 6,000 cars, and that will hit them with about a $400 million hit, just having to wait to sell those cars. So that's a big deal. Not a lot of, yes, there was a news article and it's only down about 1%, but I think that's a bigger deal than even Tesla's making it out to be. Obviously, yes, they're still going to sell the cars, but that's besides the point. People are starting to realize, okay, Tesla's a good company, but there needs to be someone else. And Rivian's not ready, okay? Artemoto is not ready. The only people who are really in is Lucid Motors, CCIV, Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors is the only one who stands a chance right now against Tesla. It's the only one who's a true competitor, the only one who has a real car built, who's trying to finalize it so they can start selling these cars and start mass producing in these next coming years. They're the only ones who are really in the game, who are really all in, and who are really pouring every second, every ounce of blood and time, and they're getting they have a great team going, they have everything going for them. So they're also an American-based company, which is even better. They have an American factory, even better. It's literally in Arizona. So we're going to see a lot of growth coming. Maybe we'll see potential partnerships with Apple that are just rumored right now. But that would be even more of a catalyst. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but if it did, that'd be pretty great. So we have a lot of catalysts coming. There's a lot to look forward to. So if you're a Lucid Motors investor, then I would be very excited right now. I'm not going to buy right now because it is green, and I don't like buying when it's green. I like buying the dip, but definitely going to be enjoying the ride and see it every single day up 3%, 4 or 5, 10, 20%. It's gonna be exciting. We'll see what happens, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did find some value from it, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. This was Kev's Mindset.